Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में देवे सज्जनों पहला मुकाबला है पुरुषों का 74 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबला, जिसमें हरियाणा हैमर्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं प्रवीण राणा। दाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में पुरुषों के इस 74 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं केतिक सोबोलोव।
Our Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul. It's time for the first bout, and the first bout happens to be men's 74 kilogram category, in which we have Praveen Rana from Haryana Hammers, and of course the captain himself from Delhi Sultans, Ketik Sobolov. It is neck and neck because as we see, I'm your host Joe Bart, and in the commentary box we have a pleasure to have the CEO of Pro Wrestling League, Mr. Sunil Yashkala. Sunil, Ketik is a rock star, okay? And last time when he won, when he was lying on the mat, he started doing push-ups, so he's a little cheeky there as well, a little funny.
Well, he has right to be cheeky, especially when he scored 41 points in the last 3 encounters of this season. Of course, we must remember he was unconquered last year, so this man is yet to lose a bout. Therefore, he has all the right to do what he does on the mat after the victory celebrations.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the bout is underway. Haryana Hammers and Delhi Sultans in front of each other. Men 74. As luck would have it, 2017 and 18 World Military Championships gold medal winner. That's what Ketik Sobolov is. Praveen Kumar is the 2018 National Championship bronze medal winner and 2017 National Championship silver medal winner. 2017 Commonwealth Championship silver medal winner. So we have a mixed bag of laurels, as we can say. But then again, right now, on the mat, the action as of now, Ketik Sobolov and Praveen Rana, they are trying to check each other and find out where can they find the chink in the opponent's armor so that they could do the attack. Not anybody of these two wrestlers have gone in and attacked and drawn the first blood. So looks like right now they are just trying to grapple each other. Using the back of the neck, Ketik Sobolov tried to pressure Praveen Rana to go down, but well, that wasn't for no avail. And right now, Sunil, they're both not in an attacking mode. They're just in a grappling mode as of now.
Right, they're just trying to hold the grip here. And this is the old traditional classic wrestling as you would see on the mat right now. Just look at each other, trying to find that one split second chink in their armory, as you call. And let's see what happens right now. But I am very certain that Praveen Rana is more determined today to fight it out the 6 minutes.
Well, right now, Delhi Sultans has a little advantage and has gotten 1 point. Now we have to see if Ketik can just come up with some brilliance, because he just flashes like a lightning bolt all of a sudden and takes his opponent by surprise.
Yes, and when he takes them by surprise, he doesn't stop there with just 1 point or second point. I think there's some rough play happening there, and Khetik is not very happy right now.
Well, Praveen Rana did want to attack, but Khetik just retreated and got out of reach.
Red. No finger next time, okay?
I wonder what is Andrew Cook focusing on right now.
Well, I believe he is in the training team of Haryana Hammers, right?
Yes.
And with that, we have the first round of the first bout, men's 74. As usual, Khetik Sobolov smiling. Looks. Welcome back after this very short break, ladies and gentlemen. It was just a rest time of minute and a half for the wrestlers. This is the first bout, men's 74 kilogram Haryana Hammers and Delhi Delhi Sultan as of now, where Khetik, the captain and the icon player for Delhi Sultans, has actually bagged 1 point, and this is only for some technical reasons, that because Praveen Rana was given a warning, and of course by virtue of the fact that this was something which is just an advantage as of now, but there's an underline on the scoreboard which is next to the ground, or next to the mat, which has an underline on that mark, which means that it's a warning, 30 seconds. If they're into passivity, that means they will be penalized for that.
Sure, it does that. And Praveen must be completely taken in by the biggest player of this pro wrestling league in the 74 weight category. You must realize that he hasn't lost a point, and if you look at his scorecard, looks like a cricket opener with 17-point win and a 16-point win in his entire thing. So he's at 41 not out, and I think with one more point in fourth bout, he's at 42. Let's see, can he make that half century in this?
Red 1 point.
Wow, I love the way we are just going on with this, because after this is the fourth chapter, right? Yes. Unveiled, and the way things are going on, I can see that these points over the leads count, and now we have some statistics building up. Like we could say that Sakshi Malik made 100 points yesterday. And right now, Khetik Sobolov getting into his brilliance. That is where he does. And right now, Praveen Rana totally passive on the floor, and now using both the legs, getting into the gator roll. But then again, would it be possible one more time? I think going totally defensive. Praveen is trying to go out of the match playing area so that giving away 1 point, he does not lose any more because of the alligator roll.
I think you need to give point to Praveen Rana, the way he stood his ground, and he's trying to hold on and trying to battle it out. Yes, he did a very smart thing of taking him. Has he gone too far? Oh, that was a missed opportunity. But full points to Praveen Rana here. Look at Praveen Rana, Khetik having a little fun here. And with just 40 seconds away, can Praveen... It's a 2-point lead right now. Can Praveen sneak in and take that?
Praveen has his own set of brilliance, but his playing style is a little laid back as of now, as we can see. But then again, Khetik is a little more aggressive.
As we said, today's bout is more a traditional bout where they don't look in for major point scoring histrionics here. Khetik trying to do it, but full marks to Praveen Rana for holding it there.
Both excellent.
It's a well-fought battle. Let's see.
We would like to remind our viewers that if a match is low-scoring, that doesn't mean that they're not playing. It is just that the defense is so strong. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. With that ring of the bell, with a points difference of 2. Wow!
Khetik is having he's having fun here, and why shouldn't he? He's the most unconquered play in the past 2 seasons, and he has all the rights. Khetik Sobolov, the military man from Russia.
Wow, very friendly, a little down to earth, but I don't know, when he gets on to the mat,
मत ले पंगा।